Welcome to us. I am Pranafax. This video I am going to do some top-down analysis for dollar index. Okay, and I am going to check season tendency for the dollar index and COT and interest rate and PTRI matrix. Okay, let's see guys. This is the dollar index daily chart, and first of all I am going to check season tendency. You can see now this is a season tendency for the dollar index, and now you can check August month. August month is there is no clear trend. Price is consolidating. Okay, so I'm going to check now COT for the dollar index, and okay, you can find this type of charts from COT barchart.com. Okay, and this is the dollar index weekly chart. Okay, and I add COTC this indicator to check the COT commitment of traders, and uh, this is the midline of the red line, and you see, okay, and zoom it. You can see now price first break last 6 months low. Okay, that is short term low indication. You can see now after price break uh, last 6 month low, just short term low, that is short term price bearish is forming, and this is the it indicate short term bearish on dollar index. Okay, this type of after break these last 6 months or 1 year or 3 year lows, price will this COD moves above this line. We can expect short term or bearish move on price, that is dollar index. Okay, so if price likely continue to move higher, price will come back to high probability to these bearish, sorry, bullish order block or breaker. Okay, that is the next support level. This is not written as concepts. I only share ICT concepts only. Okay, which is called nowadays smart money concepts. Okay, this is the next support for the price, and if price it indicate almost short term bearish on dollar index, so I expect price in this week at least come to these uh, support level, which is bullish breaker level, bullish order block level. Okay, and now you can see system tendency consolidation consolidating, and COT short term bearish, and if you check in interest rate of the dollar index and euro USD, see guys, this is the forex.com can find central bank interest rate on this website, and for the USD interest rate now is 2.50 positive level. Okay, this increase compared than the euro. Euro is now positive point 0.50. Okay, this indicate still USD is strong, euro is weak. Okay, that indicate dollar index still in bullish, that is long term bullish on the dollar index. Okay, so now interest rate also support long termly USD is bullish. Okay, and first of all, so seasonal tendency is consolidation, so don't worry. And COT is short term bearish for the dollar index, and this is interest rate suggest long term bullish for the euro, sorry, dollar index. Okay, now we can look at the PDRA matrix. Okay, if you see in weekly chart, price now filled these imbalance, which is busy. Okay, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Okay, price maybe in coming weeks come to this order block level, okay, or this breaker level, okay. And if you check in daily chart, you can see price moves short termly bearish side, okay, by collecting some buy stops, that is they are accumulating their buy orders, market makers, okay, they are accumulating their buy orders above these type of highs and moves the market to the downside, okay. And at the same time we have these BC also, that is buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, okay. And at the same time we have this is also institutional order for entry level levels, okay. This may be at a support, sorry, a support, but I expect price maybe because of our COT suggest to short termly bearish on dollar index, okay. So I expect price may come to this low. This is my first objective level, okay. This low, which is daily buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, discount low, okay. This is my first objective level. And our second target level is price maybe come to this break order block level, okay, or this breaker level, which is mean threshold of this bullish order block level, okay. It's my second level drawn liquidity. First level drawn liquidity is uh, daily level, daily chart, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, discount low, okay. It's my target level for the coming week, okay. And if you see 1 hour chart of the price action of the dollar index, can see guys a very good price action with some consolidation. See guys, I also told you don't trade inside this interbank trading range. See guys, sloppy moments. And that 27th day, 27th, which is Wednesday, price created volume balance, okay, volume balance, and price filled this volume balance and took some buy sell liquidity on above the interbank range guy, and market makers move the market to the downside, and they took sell sell liquidity, okay. See guys, this is classic AMD patterns, okay, this is classic AMD pattern, this is ICT pattern, okay. When you have this type of volume balance, uh, just like market opens downside and traded down, and for to accumulate some consultation, and after price break, sorry, that means after price down open, we can expect price will fill the volume balance, and price will move downside, okay. That is happened on the 27th July. You can see this is classic AMD pattern, accumulation, manipulation to the upside, and distribution to the downside, very clear precision. And after uh, happened this level, and you can see what is BPR range, that is balance price range, okay. This is I call why, when you guys this, forget this long title, okay. Now you have to see this one black candle, okay. uh, Seen one candle, this large candle first fill this imbalance, left side imbalance, okay, which is that means this candle, body of candle, okay, this body of candle level filled by this wick, this candle wick, okay. This is ICT BPR range also, okay. ICT doesn't teach this type of models in core contents, but he teach some stuff in the commentary, okay. BPR range, okay. So we can expect price when we form this type of BPR range, we can expect price will not move above this high, okay. So I put uh, red color line, okay. If price break this type of levels, you can expect price will move higher. Okay, this is the meaning. And when you see this type of VPR range level, you can expect price will not move above this higher. Okay, same time, see guys, we have clear institutional order flow entry rule, which is this week and this imbalance candle. This is the institutional order flow entry rule. Okay, order flow entry rule, and this is the clear breaker also. Okay, breaker level also, but I am not going to suggest to trade this type of one, because when you enter this in this level, you have to put your stop loss above this guy, that it will become very large stop loss. Okay, and can see, you can say this is a order block also, because of this same candles formed, same bullish candles formed, so we can this level as a order block. Okay, so we can call this level also order block. Okay, since it's not a fundamental, and market because move the market to the downside. Okay, after market move downside, we have after break this low also. Okay, his break market structure, you can call us shift as FT, and they move the market to the premium PDRA, which is we had the CB, sorry, CB also, this this premium level. Why I call that premium level? Because of if you put your fib level this high to this low, that is in uh, above the equilibrium level, that is above the 50 percentage level. So we can expect when price come back to the premium level, while our price is bearish, we can expect price will reverse. That is happened also this time. You can see price come back to this premium level and respect this favorable gap, which is called as CB, and also is respect this uh, up close candles. Okay, because of when we have the English order flow varies, we know all the up close candle will act as a resistance. Okay, that is happened on this scenario. Okay, and you can see now imbalance formed, and just a wick is retest this imbalance. Okay, when you see this type of just wick retest the imbalance, you have to wait to break market structure. Okay, you have to wait, break this level, break market structure, or wait, break market structure, or you have to wait price to trader to the this uh, below this low. Okay, after price created break market structure, we can expect price, that is algorithm, will revisit with this level with the body of candle. When you have this type of weak revisit this imbalance, and it and price break some recent single low, we can expect price will confirmly, that is algorithm will confirmly revisit this imbalance level with the body of candle. Okay, will revisit with body of candle, algo will revisit this level with the body of candle after break market structure. Okay, and our target is, our next draw on liquidity is uh, daily uh, busy discount low, this low. Okay, so this is our next draw on liquidity for short time. Okay, busy, right, discount low daily. Okay, so our next down liquidity for short term. Okay, so in 1 hour, this level. Okay, she's our short term draw on liquidity for us. Wait a minute. So our short term around liquidity, we can expect after price break more structure this level or this level. Algorithm will revisit with body of candle this imbalance side. Okay, will they will revisit with body of candle these levels. If you see in the right side, we have the zero zero levels. Okay, 106.200 levels. That is zero zero levels. We can expect price breakdown structure. Breakdown structure. Algorithm will revisit with body of candle. This level. Okay, and high probability to price uh, move to this our next round liquidity level. That is buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, discount low. This level. Okay. So guys about the dollar index, uh, and after if you see big chart or daily chart, after price came to this come to this this level or that is daily CBC level, BC discount low, or after price come to this double standard level or this bullish breaker level, we can expect dollar index maybe move higher until our short term we have to focus on this level also. This level we have to focus. Okay, so guys about the uh, top down analysis for the download index. We'll see another video. I hope this video will help you in your trading journey. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and it will be to me to share more ICT concepts freely on this channel. uh, Hopefully this video will help you in a trading journey. I will see another video. Good luck, good trade.